This is the tutorial to show how to select the course in NISTA 2.0 version. Now click on Diksha app. You will find the screen like this and click on the down corner, the second icon, that is courses. And these are the courses which I completed, and how the newcomer should select the course. Type capital K and A, then type underscore and secondary SEC. Soon you can find a list. Click on search. You can found the list like this. So many modules are given under secondary education, and first we have to complete the 3 modules, that is 1, 2, 3 in the month of August. So go on searching. If not, you can type KA secondary underscore 1, so that directly you can get curriculum and inclusive classrooms. This is the first module you are supposed to complete. So in order to enter this, you want to join the course. Before to that, there is an agreement where you want to agree to share the course details with the administrators and join the course on or before 25th August. Later you can see the screen like this. And course details. These are the course module where you can see the down list, course overview, course instructions, instruction, curriculum, so on. So for everything you can get the information, and you can find the icon start learning. So when you click on start learning, then you can get the information. And if you go each and every icon, each icon will have the start learning option, so you can commence the module with start learning. Soon after that, finally, at last, you will have the quiz where you want to attend the questions and you are supposed to answer for those questions. When you start the learning process, automatically it converts to landscape mode, and where you can go through the information given, and then here the information is given how to get the certificate. Finally, you can see that you just completed. Then you can proceed to the next module. So after completing all the modules, you will get the certificates. This is how the newcomers should enter the course and complete the modules. Hope everybody got very clear information how to join the NISTA 2.0 version online training, how to join the course and how to complete the modules. Soon after this a module you find you just completed, then you can go back by replay or proceed on. Continue learning. You can continue learning until you will complete 100%. Now try to complete the modules by 31st August, and hope everybody will complete soon. Thank you for watching, and if any suggestions, please comment on comment box. Thank you.